The star of the show, Midnight. Alright, here we go. Giving Midnight his medicine.
Hold him. Come here, buddy. Got his head still? Did you get any in him? Oh, goodness gracious. Did you get any in there, buddy? Here, want another lick? Let him go. And he needs more. Baby, I know.
Alright, go.
Oh, sweetie. We're going to try this again. Ready? I think we got a little bit more in that time. All right, baby. Good boy.
Apple spit it out on me.
Did he?
Now he's like,
Hey, so cute.
come on, Midnight. Midnight. Midnight, come here.
Sneak attacks.
Come here. Midnight. Midnight.
He's too busy rubbing my head, rubbing his head on my foot. Like, oh
Midnight,
no.
come on. Midnight.
I'm looking.
Come on.
Oh, the baby. Yeah. The hard part is we got to get his mouth open. Okay, come here. Hold his jaw.
That's what I'm doing.
Damn it, Midnight. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. Yeah, he's not getting much of it in his mouth, unfortunately.
God, I gotta see that.